In an era dominated by Chargers, Chevelles, and Mustangs, one American underdog dared to be different. While the giants of Detroit battled for muscle car supremacy, American Motors Corporation, AMC, carved its own niche, often with innovative designs and a bold spirit. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a magnificent example of AMC's audacious vision, Doug Kinney's stunning 1970 AMX. The AMX, short for American Motors Experimental, was more than just a performance package. It was a dedicated two-seater sports car, a rarity in a market flooded with 2+2 coupes. This choice alone set it apart, making it a true driver's car with an emphasis on pure, unadulterated performance. Doug's 1970 model holds a special place in history as the final year for this iconic two-seater configuration, making it a highly coveted piece of American automotive heritage.